Hello gentle people, I am week 2 in this freeform journey, and if you didn't see the first video I posted, basically it means that you kind of give your hair the opportunity to do what it's going to do. And this is my third lock journey. I had locks when I was first pregnant with my son about 16 years ago, 15-16 years ago, and then I cut those off after, I don't know, I think it was like 4 years. Then I started growing locks again back in 2008 roundabout, and cut them off like 2013, 2014 I think. But the times when I had locks before, they were very cultivated locks, meaning that I had gotten my hair parted and did the double strand twist and all that good stuff. And when my hair is wet, it gets super soft and it falls. So when I had my hair in those double strand twists on those 2 separate occasions where I had like manicured locks, it literally took maybe about 2 months for me to say one lock, like one tiny little bud. I was like 2 months down the line, and one of the things I had heard back then was don't wash your hair, and you know, you're supposed to use beeswax and all that good stuff. And this time around it's a completely different situation. I have not put any product in my hair at all, and pretty much I had a double strand twist in my hair for about 2 weeks. Then I pulled it out and washed it. So I started the journey pretty much on the 1st of February, right? Today is, what day is today? Alexa, what day is today?
Today is Sunday, February 10th.
February 10th now, all right? So it is February 10th, and already, like, it is crazy. Let me show you some stuff. Look, this right here is clearly planning to be a whole lock situation because that's already matted up. This one here as well, and what I noticed with them is that they start matting from the ends, right? My hair has never been this dry in my entire life. So there's another one, like, looking like it's ready to do some things. And this is, you know, I thought maybe the front of my hair would probably take the longest because the texture here is a completely different texture from the back. But I've been washing every like 2 days. See, something start with this one already. And one of the reasons I had cut my locks on those occasions was because they were super heavy and they were pulling back on my hairline, and I had started getting thinning. And that is one of the reasons why freeform locks appeal to me so much as well, because you just let your roots just give them space to live and breathe, so there's not going to be any tension on the hair. I'm going to spin around in a sec to show you the rest, but like, you know, when my son saw my hair, he was like, it's already like taking shape literally in 10 days, right? Can you see that? And there are like different sizes. Again, with freeform, like, you're not cultivating anything, you're not retwisting, you literally just leave your hair alone. And it sounds kind of crazy, like, what do you mean leave your hair alone? You just don't do anything and it just starts to lock after a while. So I'm going to turn, if I can do that. So that's what the back looks like, and obviously because I sleep on the back and the sides of my hair, there's stuff happening. Like, I literally feel them starting to come together. And that's that side. Yeah, so, oh sorry, I hit the camera there. So yeah, this is technically week 2, 10 days in, and I've been, you know, making the products because I normally make the stuff that we use on our hair and skin at home anyway. So I've been trying some different formulations, because the thing with freeform locks, and you know, again, this whole idea that, oh, you're not supposed to wash your locks, you need to give it time to kind of come together. Locks need and want a healthy scalp to grow. So when you're doing freeform, you want to make sure that you're using a nice clarifying shampoo. And pretty much I just use, you know, my own ingredients and make my own clarifying shampoo, because the ones on the market are like really super drying to your hair. And if you're using Dr. Bronner's, Some people just put the dots of bronzer straight on their hair, and you're really not supposed to do that. So I'll show you how I make the shampoo in another video. So I've been making a shampoo specifically for this freeform journey, and I've also been making like a Dead Sea salt scrub for my scalp, just to kind of, you know, get the circulation going. But yeah, that is it. And I know you know, people see my hair and have all kind of comments, and when I'm out on the road, people are looking at me like, what the hell is going on with her head? But I don't care. I don't give a shit. You know, if you have locks, if you've ever had locks before, you know that patience is a must, right? You have to be patient and just, you know, stop messing about with them and just give them the opportunity to do what they're going to do. So again, this is a completely different journey from the 2 times I had locks before. But again, it's just patience. Just give it the opportunity to do what it's going to do. So week number 2, and I see you when I see you.